Community is like Wales. It is a dragon that soars.
A belonging for everybody.
It's the strongest thing that connects humans together.
A sense of belonging.
And together, sharing ideas.
The richness in the conversations, the shared language, the appetite for change and the will that has been evident across the whole system. It's been magical.
We all have, different stories to tell, to share, and I think coming together, it makes us stronger.
Confidence-wise, I've always struggled, and just the past 2 years, been a turnaround 2 years. And I wouldn't have done that if it wasn't for the encouragement and confidence provided by the community navigators.
The level of talent, just inspirational really, talking about their pain and the depth of their feeling, feels cathartic and a transformational experience.
After COVID, I wasn't in a very good place. A family member said to me, you're not going to be able to stay in your house hiding from everyone forever. You need to get up, you need to get out there. And it was literally the best thing I've ever done.
Da ni'n dangos y gwahaniaethau a sut da ni'n yr un peth hefyd.
If we all work together, you will get the best outcome, and communication is key to that.
Community means to me just supporting each other.
Dwi'n gweld sut mae pobl yn gallu gwneud cysylltiadau da a newid eu bywydau trwy defnyddio'r cymuned a beth sydd yna iddyn nhw.
The biggest thing for me is community spirit, and that's what it's all about for me. Community and, kindness and doing things for each other.
Community is everything, really.
And everyone matters.